Hi, it's Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. We're looking at our landscape renovation this morning, and what we have here is, see the bottom edge of the building, and what the landscape contractor did. It's frozen here this morning. But you can see here what they've done is put that mulch up against the building there, and what that's going to do, you can see how far it is going up there on the building, how far that is up on the building, and how that it's not going to let the building dry out, and it's going to keep moisture up there against it all the time. You can see that mulch just laying in there, so it's going to cause that metal to prematurely rust out and cause the company customer, which is a business customer, it's going to cause all that. So to us, it doesn't make sense to put mulch up against the building. And of course, it is froze now, so it's coming out in great big chunks. And then we come on around here, and you can see the same thing here of how deep this mulch is. How deep this mulch is against this shed. I mean, this is just unbelievable. Somebody would put that kind of mulch up against the building. It does not make sense.